OSEE Mega 22S4 Production Monitor Review. 1500 Nits Multiview that works when it matters.
Picture this. You're monitoring 4 cameras outdoors during a critical live event, squinting at your production monitor because the sun turned your expensive display into a dark, useless rectangle. A broadcast engineer missed a critical exposure issue on camera 3 because his monitor was invisible under stadium lights. The client noticed first. That moment stings. Sound painfully familiar? Drop a comment if you've ever lost visibility when it mattered most.
Here's the suffocating reality. Every missed shot costs credibility you can't recover. Your crew compensates for invisible monitors by second-guessing technical decisions, and hours wasted rigging sunshades around inadequate displays drain budgets and patience. A production supervisor nearly lost a contract when his monitoring setup failed during an outdoor corporate shoot. The client saw the chaos. Hope exists for clarity without the chaos. This stops today.
This is where the OSEE Mega 22S 422-inch horizontal vertical multi-view production monitor changes everything completely. Don't just pick any production monitor. Make sure it has 1500 nits brightness with professional SDI and HDMI inputs so you never experience washed-out visibility and signal routing nightmares that kill workflow efficiency again. This 10-bit IPS panel delivers genuine broadcast-grade color accuracy across 6 simultaneous inputs, 3 4K 60 HDMI plus 3 3G SDI, replacing what used to require an external multiviewer plus separate display. Split-screen mode displays all your sources at once: cameras, program output, graphics, preview feeds, all visible simultaneously on one screen. A DIT working a desert location shoot loaded his ARRI log-C LUT directly into the monitor and finally saw accurate shadow detail at 2 p.m. under brutal sun. The director approved shots confidently instead of guessing. The 10-bit processing renders smooth gradients without banding. Horizontal and vertical mounting adapts to any rack or cart configuration, and professional BNC connectors handle broadcast infrastructure seamlessly. Here's what nobody tells you. The 3D LUT support transforms this from confidence monitor into creative evaluation tool. Ready to see what happens when visibility becomes reliable?
Here's what actually changes long-term. Immediate result. Set up outdoors and the image stays visible in direct sunlight, no shade required. Weekly win. After 1 week, your crew stops compensating for invisible monitors and starts making confident technical decisions in real time. Long-term freedom? 3 months in, you've eliminated an external multiviewer plus 2 additional monitors from your signal chain, saving rack space and setup complexity. A broadcast technology reviewer said the 1500 nit brightness is genuine and extremely valuable for high ambient light monitoring. This is the Mega 22S4's defining advantage over competing production monitors at this price. Real field experience? One independent filmmaker noted the Mega 22S4 was clearly visible and usable in conditions that would have rendered our old 450 nit monitors completely unreadable. We could evaluate exposure and check focus in full sunlight. Industry analysts confirm OSEE delivers professional-grade specifications at price points significantly below established premium brands. Worried about color accuracy compared to reference monitors? The 10-bit IPS panel produces reliable Rec. 709 color verified by multiple production teams. It's not replacing a $15,000 Sony BVM for critical grading, but for production monitoring and multi-view confidence, the accuracy proves sufficient daily. One production manager observed after 4 months, our volunteer operators have commented repeatedly on how much easier it is to manage production with clear, bright multi-view display giving instant visibility into all sources. The mixed HDMI and SDI inputs handle hybrid infrastructure without converters. The professional BNC connectors resist accidental disconnection during live events, and the metal construction withstands transport between locations without degradation. See why broadcast engineers and DITs refuse to work without reliable multi-view visibility now. Which benefit transformed your decision? The outdoor brightness, the 6-input flexibility, or the integrated multi-viewer simplicity?
Join the many production professionals already seeing workflow clarity they didn't know budget-friendly monitors could deliver. The OSEE Mega 22S4 22-inch production monitor delivers the one thing inadequate brightness cannot fake: genuine 1500 nit visibility that keeps your image evaluable when ambient light tries to kill it. Results may vary based on environment. Act now, because professional monitoring at this specification level continues gaining traction across broadcast and live production. Link in the description, first one pinned to the top. This is where squinting at invisible monitors ends and confident production monitoring begins.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.